Oh, g'day champions. How you going? Today we are going to review a couple of German beer. Weihenstephaner in Weihenstephaner, something like that, in wheat beer in the original. So I've seen these around a bit, and I've always been a little bit curious. I haven't tried these ones out yet, but Dad was pretty happy with them, as you can see in this photo that he sent me. So let's give it a go. Now we've only got what, four sleeps left. 1, 2, 3, 4 sleeps left until we can have actual beer again. But one thing I've noticed, and this happened last year too, about 3 weeks in, you sort of forget what drinking's like at all. Like, not just being drunk or having the buzz from 1 or 2 drinks, but just the mouthfeel, the taste, the general sensation of drinking alcohol. For the first 3 weeks, you can almost taste it and you miss it a bit. But 4 weeks, in the 4th week, I've found, and this happened last year, can't remember the year before, you sort of forget. So I'm sort of at that point now. But you know, we've got 4 sleeps left. So yeah, not long now, and I'll be back to remembering what that's like. Maybe not. Maybe I'll stop drinking forever. So these are pop tops, not twisties. So I just got the old bottle opener. And I've got the proper wheat beer glasses too, like Das Boot. Not much head on that. Expected a bit more. That's the original. Beverage cum. Whatever that means. And the wheat beer over here. Oh, that one's quite a bit more angry on the head, so I'll lay back a bit. I think this was the one that Dad really liked, so let's try this one second, because it looks like it's got some more body to it than the other. Alright, here we go. Just has the same smell as all the others. But much better mouthfeel. And a lot fuller in the taste. Yeah, I keep forgetting to do the 3-sip rule, so I've got to remember that.
3 sips.
That's really good. I think that's going to be a 7.5. Just that one. So let's see what the wheat beer is like. Oh, it's got the wheat beer smell. They've got a pretty authentic smell to it. It's got that almost honey. That's really good. That's a 9. That's a 9. Yeah, that's recommended. Like, even when dry July's over, I'm going to have that in the house, I reckon, so I can drink on the job too. So this one, we'll go with 7.5, something like that. I'm very non-committal. And this one, I'm going to go 9.5. That's probably the best one yet, to be honest.
I think that's the first.
That's the highest yet, yeah. I'm a sucker for IPAs, but I'm also a sucker for wheat beers. Very impressed. Good stuff. So, we're almost there, champions. Jump on, give us $10. I'll shout your beer next time I see you. So really it's just me donating to myself in that case. But links down below. Not long now, and then I'll stop bothering you. How good will that be? So I'll see you tomorrow.